Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to record Imo video call with audio or record Imo video call or record Imo audio call. If you want to record your Imo voice or video call with audio, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your phone settings. After that, choose and open phone settings. And in this you can easily record your Imo video call with audio. Scroll down. After you can see advanced feature, open it. Scroll down. You can see screenshots and screen recordings. Click on it. After that, scroll down. So first of all, you can choose an open format. You can see JPG, PNG, so you can choose JPG. After that, you can see save screenshots in, so open it. You can create a new folder or place files here. In this time I can create a new folder. After that, right top corner, click here. After that, choose create, click here. A screen recording. After that, record sound, open it. You can see three options: non, media, media and mic. So you can choose media and mic, click on it. After that, you can see video quality, click here. In this time I can choose medium. After that, in this here I can see save screen recordings in. After that, right top corner, click on it. After that, choose create. And then choose done, click on it. And in this time I can easily done Imo video call recording all settings. And in this time I can easily record your Imo video call with audio. After that, I can show another way or second process. So let's see. Go back. After that, scroll up. In this time I can show second process. After that, in this here search screenshots and screen recording. So open it. You can see in this time I can already done all settings, and in this time I can easily record your Imo video call with audio. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Imo. And in this I can see my Imo account, and in this time I can easily record Imo video call with audio or record Imo voice or audio call. So let's see. After you can see screen recorder, click here. And in this way I can easily record Imo video call with audio or record Imo voice call or record Imo audio call or record Imo video call with audio. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.